There are several reasons for the error to occur. Most commonly, however, the issue arises for users who are using a custom ROM on their devices. The very first thing you should do is restart your phone. Simply click and hold on your device's power button and select to restart your phone. Now let's check and set the correct time and date. Drag down the menu from the top, click on Settings button, scroll down to locate General Management and click on it. Then click on Date and Time option. Once there, disable Automatic Date and Time, then set the correct date and time and exit the settings window. Check if the issue persists. Now let's clear Play Store's cache and data. Drag down the menu from the top, click on Settings button, in the list locate and click on Apps option. Then find and click on Google Play Store. Once there, click Force Stop button and confirm the action. Then go to Storage section, click on Clear Cache and then click on Clear Data. Confirm the action and restart your device by click and holding on your phone's power button. Now let's reset all apps preferences. Drag down the menu from the top, click on Settings button, then locate Apps option in the list and click on it. Once there, click on Options button, 3 vertically aligned dots at the top right corner and select to reset all apps preferences. Confirm by clicking Reset button and wait for the process to finish. Restart your phone. Some users reported that this error was fixed after they removed and added back their Google account. Drag down the menu from the top, click on Settings button, scroll down to Contacts option and click on it. Once there, click on Accounts, then click on your account, then click on Options button, 3 vertical dots at top right. Select to remove your account and confirm by pressing Remove button. Now we will add an account to your phone. Click on Add Account, select the type of account you want to add, then fill in your credentials, accept the terms of agreement and accept to a backup option. After all the synchronizing is done, check if the problem is solved. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.